At the MSPO 2025 Arms Exhibition in Kielce, Poland, the Polish defense firms Radmor and Arex, part of the WB Group, unveiled two advanced maritime drones, Stormrider and SKRP, drawing clear parallels to Ukrainian naval drones that have proven effective in recent high-profile operations. These unmanned surface vessels represent Poland's push toward indigenous autonomous technologies tailored for reconnaissance patrols and strike missions in contested waters, such as the Baltic Sea. Unlike their Ukrainian counterparts, which often rely on Starlink satellite communications for remote control, these drones primarily utilize autonomous systems, ensuring operational independence despite interference from enemy electronic warfare. This design choice underscores practical considerations given the short distances to potential strategic targets like Russia's Baltic Fleet base in Baltysk, just 25 kilometers from Polish territory. Stormrider stands out as a multi-role platform measuring 8.5 meters in length and weighing 3.5 tons. It is equipped for diverse tasks including environmental monitoring with sensors such as navigation radar sonar and optoelectronic systems featuring thermal imaging and laser rangefinders. For offensive capabilities, it can integrate a remotely operated heavy machine gun module like the ZMU-05N, or deploy Warmate tube-launched loitering munitions from dedicated containers, allowing it to detect, identify and neutralize threats at extended ranges without risking human crews. Trials in the Baltic Sea have demonstrated its suitability for defending ports, anchorages and critical infrastructure, highlighting its potential in counter-sabotage and high-threat environments. This makes it highly suitable for use by the Polish Navy and Border Guard in the near future. The Stormrider can also be configured for other tasks such as reconnaissance, fire support, logistical support, and even medical evacuation. The smaller SKRP functions as a kamikaze drone akin to Ukraine's Magura 5, but with reduced dimensions and a lighter warhead emphasizing affordability and deployability in swarm tactics. Equipped solely with a surveillance camera, it is designed for one-way attack missions where precision and stealth are paramount. This simplicity aligns with lessons from the ongoing war in Ukraine, where such drones have disrupted larger naval forces, proving that asymmetric warfare can level the playing field against conventional fleets. By forgoing satellite links, both drones prioritize reliability in jammed or denied environments, a key adaptation for regional conflicts in Europe's northern seas.